What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Trust me, you're going to want to hit the notification bell. All right, listen, um, you know, I thought I was going to sleep in just like a lot of you guys. I was up late last night. I looked at my phone this morning and I see this where it is saying that the Dow futures, this was on my phone, Dow futures plunged 400 points amid fears of COVID variant found in South Africa. Okay, then here, breaking news: Japan's Nikkei drops 225%. 225 points as Asian Pacific market slip amid renewed COVID fears. Okay, so in spite of you being only in stocks or only in crypto, your question today shouldn't be what happened to SHIB, what happened to Crow, or what happened to Apple. Your question today should be what happened to the entire market. And so that's what is going on today. It's important that you listen and view this entire video because I'm going to tell you what I'm doing on today. And I'm just hitting you with a lot of information because I believe that this is going to be very helpful. I don't care what's going on, what your plan was, what you heard me say, or what you heard anyone else say. When something like this happens, it changes your plans. No one knew that a new COVID variant would just come out of nowhere. No one has a crystal ball and can predict the future. The question is, what are you going to do? Life could be going pretty fine, and then all of a sudden, you're riding your bike and you hit a cow. Okay? Now, that's what I wanted to show you guys, that because you have to be ready to change your plans within seconds, right? And so I'm going to show this picture because all of this, I want this in your brain. What are you doing today? Okay? The stock market and crypto are dipping and they're at the lows. Are you going to be here? Or are you going to wait for them to rebound and go to all-time highs? And are we going to be the crowd? That's the question that I want to ask you right now. Remember, if you got any kind of disciplines or a book of disciplines, now's the time for you to be brave when others are fearful. And I'm going to play this short video because I want to help you guys that are just into crypto. And I want you to listen. I said this 2 days ago because this is all very important. And I want you guys to know that are new, that if you're just in here for crypto, that the stock market affects crypto. And so you need to know what's going on in the market. So I'm going to timestamp this video. So what I'm saying is we have to stop with, oh, I'm just going to, I don't pay any attention to the stock market. And I know a lot of you new guys are here from crypto, but you have to understand it does affect. The entire stock market affects crypto indirectly and directly. So what I'm going to tell you is that I believe that this is transitory. Not only the United States, but just about every country in the entire world, everyone was affected by 2020, COVID. But when COVID happened, we had no policies in place. No one knew how to handle it. Businesses are stronger, smarter, wiser now. Countries have things in place. I don't believe that we're going to go down to lockdowns as severe as we did in 2020. I doubt any country will. We know how to handle this now, and this is going to be short-lived. Now, I believe that there's buying opportunities. Here's the big but. There's always a big but in the room. Okay? There was almost a joke there, but it's not time to joke. But I will tell you that right now I see more buying opportunities in crypto than I do the stock market. I believe that there's going to be even more opportunities in the stock market on Monday. Remember, today is a short day. If you're in New York, the market is going to close at 1 o'clock. If you're in Chicago, it's going to close at 12 o'clock. And if you're in LA, it's going to close at 10 o'clock. So the East Coast is going to close at 1 o'clock today. It's a short day, right? So that's why I wanted to get this video out hours before the market closed and help you make a wise decision by shedding a light. Remember, this is not anything I say is not a suggestion for you buy, hold, or sell a stock. I'm just shining a light on the overall market. Okay, so let's look at what's going on here. I want to show you guys this on a chart. This is very important for you guys to see. Now, look at this. Okay, this is the 5-day. I want to show you how the market literally affects crypto, right? But let's go back to, let's see if we can let's go back 5 years. We can't, 1 year's not going to get it. I want to go back to 2020 and show you guys something. This is very important. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Okay. So this was when COVID hit in 2020. You see this big red candle. This is when COVID hit. It was March 16th. I know. It was my birthday when COVID hit. All right. You can see that at the bottom, March. They both tanked, crypto and stocks. This is the stock market and this is Bitcoin. So I'm using Bitcoin. So this is the Dow Jones at the bottom and this is Bitcoin at the top. Those are two indicators that's going to show you what's happening. Okay. But look at what happened to the stock market. Of course, it went down and the Dow, it recovered, okay? Came back and blew past the highs of before COVID hit, right? You see that? And it continued to run up, straight run up. But look at what happened to crypto. It booms, okay? And if you've been following me, you know, I've always suggested to you guys that crypto takes a hit really sudden. So the stock market takes a hit. So let's say that this is crypto and this is the stock market, right? Crypto and the stock market takes a hit like this. And then the stock market does this, right? And crypto does this. And so I'm letting you guys know why I'm more bullish in the crypto market than I am in stocks right now, though I am buying more banks. I have Morgan Stanley. I'm buying more banks because banks actually right now with the looming debt ceiling and the threat of higher interest rates, I believe that banks are going to weather more. So I did buy more Morgan Stanley. Okay, that's what I did, just to give you guys something to look at. The boring stock. Let's take a look. Look at that. Crypto, Bitcoin is down. The Dow was down over 900 points. Okay, I mean it tanked, and yeah, crypto is not looking good right now. Okay, so my question to you is, are you going to be brave and buy, or are you going to line up, complain about the sky is falling? I want you to leave me a comment. Now, here's what I wouldn't do. I'm going more aggressive in crypto because I believe that, you know, we don't know how everything else and everyone else is going to react. I do know this. In most cases like this, there's a knee-jerk reaction. That term, for those of you that don't understand, means that people overreact. So crypto was actually coming back before this hit, and now it took a little dump. I believe it's a knee-jerk reaction. I believe it's an overreaction in crypto and in stocks. But with stocks, you have to be very careful in picking individual stocks. In the crypto market, It's kind of like you could just buy a piece of whatever you want to right now, and I believe you'll be fine here in days, actually. With the stock market, I believe it'll probably be a little longer. Okay. So leave me a comment on what you plan on buying today. I'm interested. If this has been helpful, this video, if it has been helpful to you, leave me a comment and make sure you like this video. We got to keep getting this message out. And when you like the video, it helps to keep the message out and continue to share it with your friends and family. I will say, I'm not going to talk about my merch because, yeah, I mean, everybody lost money with the Black Friday sale. But I will tell you to check out, I'll leave a link at the top, and it talks about Tip Ranks. And it's because Tip Ranks has a Black Friday sale going on right now. I'm going to leave that up because that is going to help you guys make money. It gives you, especially on days like today, it gives you a 12-month trajectory on where they think stocks are going to go. Okay, and it's called Tip Ranks. It's the top analysts in the markets. Okay, and so if you want to make money and you want to buy a lot of a stock, you could see what the Wall Street analysts say it's going to be. And so I will move that link to the top. All right. So hopefully this calms you guys down. I just wanted to say that you have to, I need another cup of coffee. You have to look at this as a Black Friday sale. It's time to be brave when others are fearful, because I believe in a short period, you're going to be glad that you bought some of these dips. Now, in the stock market, pace yourself, cut your money up into 2 parts. I would, if not 3 parts. In crypto, I'm doing the same thing, cut your money up into 2 parts. So I now have a full Bitcoin. I was behind in that. I should have had a full Bitcoin, but I'm taking this opportunity to buy. Leave me a comment on what you're going to buy. Make sure you check out all the links below. Good people. I just wanted to keep you guys informed. And hey, we're ready for this. All right. We're going to get through this. And actually, this is what it's going to wind up being a good buying opportunity for all of us. Okay. All right. Hey, I love each and every one of you. I'm thankful for each and every one of you. We're going to stay informed and we're going to continue to make money. Love you guys.